In this video, I will show you that how you can simply transfer your crypto coin from Trust Wallet to MetaMask wallet in very simple step. So to transfer crypto coin from Trust Wallet, first you have to select the coin which you want to transfer. So here you can see I have too many coins available on my Trust Wallet. Simply you have to search for the coin which you want to transfer. So I will select USDT because I have some USDT available. So I have USDT available in BNB Smart Chain network and I have 19 USDT available. So keep in mind, whenever you transfer the coin from one wallet to another wallet or from Trust Wallet to any exchange or from Trust Wallet to any other wallet, then you must have to pay the network fee. Now here we have USDT in BNB Smart Chain network, though, so you must have some BNB available in your Trust Wallet. If you have coin in Solana network, then you must have some SOL in your Trust Wallet. Similarly, if you have USDT in Ethereum network, then you must have some ETH in your Trust Wallet. So I hope you got it. But here is the good news for you. Whenever you transfer any coin from Trust Wallet which is in the BNB Smart Chain network, you can simply transfer from here to any wallet, any exchange 100% free. Now here you have to come on the send. Here you have to give the address and here you have to give the amount. Now I have USDT. Now to get the address, come on the MetaMask wallet. So here you can see I have opened MetaMask wallet. This is the dashboard of the MetaMask wallet. So on the top here you can see the network, that which network you have selected for your Trust Wallet. So currently I have on the MetaMask. If you have any other network, so for example if you are transferring USDT or any coin from USDT or any coin from Trust Wallet, you must have to check the network. If you have coin in the BNB Smart Chain, then it is okay. But if you have coin in some other network like Ethereum or any of these available, then you have to select this. So currently we have USDT in BNB Smart Chain, so I will select this. Make sure that you have select this correct address. Then you have to click on this arrow center icon and you have to click on the receive. Copy address. Now using this address you can receive any coin which is under BNB Smart Chain network. Alright, now here we need USDT BNB Smart Chain network address. Come on the import token, search token here USDT, and here you can see all the networks of BNB Smart Chain. Click on Tether USDT, next import, click on this coin. Now here you have to click on the receive, copy this address, and now come on the Trust Wallet. So I have pasted the address here. After that, here you have to add the amount, that how much USDT you want to transfer. Let's say I want to transfer 5 USDT. Click on the next. Again, click on the confirm. Here you have to complete the security verification. Now it says transferring. Click on the transaction details, and here you can see currently our status is pending, and it says network fee, and it says network fee is 0 BNB. This is because currently BNB Smart Chain is not charging any amount. You can simply transfer 100% free from Trust Wallet to anywhere using the BNB Smart Chain for free. Now it will take some time. Now I just refresh this page and it's showing that completed. Now let's come on the MetaMask wallet and confirm this transaction. And here we go. Here you can see we have successfully received 5 USDT in our account in very simple steps and 100% free from Trust Wallet to MetaMask. I hope you like this video. If you face any problem, please comment down below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.